Welcome back to the channel. Now I'm in the garage again, trying to do some small thing on the Range Rover. I found out that one of the backlight was wrong color, because this have newer backlight. Hi, some lights is on here. Okay, that's good. Tell me why I am losing power. Maybe I forgot it. I have to go and I'm sorry to say I have forgot it on with the parking lights. yeah, then I killed it off myself. There's no space for doing anything in this garage. One of these bulbs here, I think it's orange, where it should have been red, and I bought at Aliexpress red one, both for stopping light and the other. So yeah, it should be 10mm, just to loosen off the back lights. So you see here, I don't even have space to go by. Can I even get the camera somewhere here? No, it's supposed to, because mine have been trashed so hard. And behind here we have the multi-contact. That's supposed to be, I can just take off the whole system because it won't be enough. Here you see it has been very warm inside. I don't think this is supposed to be orange. Is it? Isn't it the top was the orange? As I understand it, this is the red one. Yeah, I have bought it red with this have bone connector for me in place. There. Here you see I have ordinary brake light, ordinary light and flashing light. You see I have the updated light. I think this is for the compressor version, isn't it? You guys tell me. I think it's for the compressor. I was just thinking to hang it on and test it. Let me go and put on some light that I should remember to take off again. I put on we have so little power. Yeah, at least now I got it to be red. But there's so little power in the car that it's only stand flashing. This one was put in on orange instead of red. The orange is supposed to be up here. Red and braking light red on this. So someone put in wrong. But I could maybe need the orange later, so I put it in with the rest of them. Because now I have for brake light and I have for this. And this light I have changed the whole glass. Let's put it in again. There. Yeah, it's just to make it. There, let's see here. I didn't get it into the hole. There. Then the two 10mm. So it's quite easy to change. It's just that it was put on wrong. Now I'm just flashing because I don't have any power on the car. It's empty. Yeah, as you see, to change bulbs are quite easy. But since mine is put on different backlight, I have to have red lights here, not like the older that is supposed to be. Then we would have red here and orange here. I need to have red bulbs on orange bulbs. And that one I got from, yeah, I got them from Aliexpress. Cheap. Take a little time to get it, but it was cheap. So now I just have to charge it up. Then I have some more things I have to do. That was just a fast, easy showing. 10mm, and then you have to drag the light backward. Would have been, I didn't need it because my clips are very bad. But use a plastic thing like this in the side here to take the light. Use things like this to pressure the light backward after you open the screws. Oh, yeah, see, I need to order a new struts here too. It's gone. Okay. Actually, it's gone on both sides. Where is it going to? It's supposed to be in here. In here. Okay, I have to order that. Now I was thinking, yeah, please go and see other videos about the Range Rover. It's difficult to make good videos in this small garage like here. I have some other things I have to change here. So we come back.